everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today in this video, we are going to be talking about like what is the difference between law of attraction and the mirror exercise that we do. Because a lot of coaches use law of attraction as a modality to help you manifest your perfect partner or your perfect relationship. And how does that work versus how is mirror exercise different from what we are doing that? Okay, so when I learned law of attraction, like what do you do in law of attraction? You basically set out an intention, you send that intention to the universe, and then you surrender it, and then the universe brings it to you. Now, when it comes to twin flame journey, your twin flame is your mirror, and that means they are going to bring up a lot of feelings that are not aligned in your journey in your life, so that it helps you ascend faster. So what really happens is that you are definitely choosing to set that intention of your union, because the day you accept that you are twin flames, the day you claim your harmonious twin flame union, you have already set that intention. So now the universe brings out the misaligned parts that is stopping you from actually manifesting your harmonious union in the physical reality. That may project it in a way that, okay, like let's say I claim my harmonious twin flame union, and the second I do that, next thing I see is that my twin flame blocking me. And my question is like, I claimed harmonious union and now my twin flame has blocked me. Or probably your twin flame, you see your twin flame going deeper into their relationship with the third party, or probably doing something that is totally out of the blue and something that you do not expected after making that intention, after making that choice. Because what it sounds like is, okay, and now I'm making a choice of my union, so it should bring my twin flame closer to me. But what really happens here is that your twin flame cannot really come close to you in the physical when you're already holding on to separation inside. So twin flame union and twin flame separation are like poles apart. So you cannot, just like how you cannot bring two opposite poles together in one place, it's the same thing. If you're holding on to separation inside of yourself, and then you're saying, oh, I claim my union, I claim my harmonious union, no matter, even if you're like chanting this mantra 24/7 a day, and you're like, why is my union not happening? But then you're like seeing your twin flame separate from yourself, you're not believing in your union, or you're holding on to separation inside, it cannot come together. So why does this happen is because it is defeating the purpose of your ascension. So what really happens is that, okay, when I say that I claim my harmonious union, and then the universe will bring me something that will trigger me more. And when I work through that, what really happens here is that, okay, now I see my twin flame acting like more in separation. So I have to heal that, I have to mirror that, I have to see like where am I doing that within myself. And once I have done that in myself, once I have brought love there, once I have come into alignment, come into union with that particular part of me, that is where you will see that that changes the physical reality. Because you're just not setting out the intention, but you're also doing the work. You're also releasing the misaligned belief that is keeping you stuck in a lower vibration. That is the difference between law of attraction methods that we do, or we have observed, we have practiced, versus doing the mirror exercise, manifesting things at a from a higher frequency, from a higher vibration. So, when I was just awakening to this connection, it was back in 2019, I had reached out to many astrologers, many tarot readers. And at that time, like, nobody could tell me that I'm on a twin flame journey, probably because the awareness wasn't much, or probably I wasn't ready to do this. So, what really happened, somebody just suggested me like a water cup method. Like, what I have to do is I have to take a glass of water in a like glass, like crystal clear glass, and I have to just hold it in my hand, and I have to set affirmations, and I have to charge that water that, okay, me and my person are together, and I have to drink that water every day. But that usually does not work when it comes to twin flames, or these kind of remedies and spells do not work in twin flames, because you're still trying to control things on the outer reality by doing these things. Wherein twin flame manifestation is more on the lines of how you are clearing the intentions, how you are clearing and purifying your consciousness, in the inner self, right? And when you do that, you will see that things start to change. Your twin flame starts to show up more, your twin flame sees you, your twin flame starts to acknowledge you. And that is the difference between any relationship spell that we do and what we do for what the kind of healing that we do in our twin flame journey. So I hope this helps you understand about the twin flame dynamic a bit more. If this video has helped you, don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, comment, share on the video. And if you would like to book a session with me, you can find all the links in the description box. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Namaste.